that we're gonna do is actually, it's 2 days. After this day, may isa pang day. And after ng isang day na yon, school.
We will go back to school.
We will school again. Let's go. Go. Okay, so yeah, so what I'm doing for this day, and actually you can't say hello kay mommy because mommy's walking in work now. He's going to the jeep because it's hard walking. So yeah, he's going to the jeep because that's my mommy. He's going to the jeep because he's going to work. She's going to work.
She's going to ride on
The
a
jeep.
jeep.
And he's going to work. And he's going to work. So actually, I
Yes.
have my tent.
She.
I said she.
Okay.
Okay. Sorry about that. And actually, guys, punta din ako sa dentist. And so pupunta.
Wala. Paano yung mga nag-i-English hindi na makaintindi?
Tinatanong kita.
Sino?
Ikaw.
What?
Tinatanong kita.
What are you asking?
I'm just ask Momsy first. Wait. So what I'm asking is pag 6 years old na ako, babalik na ako dun sa dentist.
Mm-mm.
Oh my. 6 years old na ako, babalik na ako sa dentist. I'm so happy.
It's gonna be on June, yeah? June. So, we're in the first month of the year. January, February, March, April, May. So you have 5 months to wait for the month of June.
Oh my god, and I'm going back to, because last time, you know, I vlogged, right? I vlogged and you see me. I vlogged and you see me in the apartment of my dentist.
Apartment. Clinic.
Clinic of the dentist, and it was so fun with me. Nakikiliti din ako dito because yung dentist, kinikiliti niya ako sa date last time. Kasi last time, ginaganon niya yung parang water.
Well, hindi akong kausap sila, di ba?
Yeah. No, guys.
Where are you looking at? Di ba you have to look
Oh!
at the camera?
Oh yeah, I forgot because it was so hard there. I want to look at over here. See? Over here. Ay, look, oh, pag nilagay ko dito, look. Hindi makita. Pero pag dito, wait lang guys.